Hello, brothers and sisters. God bless you all. God bless you wherever you are. God bless you. It's me again. I want to talk about women. This one na women matter. Women wey dey marry white, dem go still get black boy for corner. Na I wan talk to so. Women wey dey do that kind thing, say you marry oyibo, you go dey flirt up and down. God dey look you. You understand? You dey fool yourself for that boy wey you get. You go dey think say na the man na you dey fool. Na yourself na you dey fool. Because you call yourself say you are a married woman. You suppose to respect that married woman name. Because if they still dey talk about person wey marry, you go still get us say you marry. You never marry. You are a useless. You are a useless woman wey married to a white man. You understand? If you know say you no want, because God dey, everything wey person dey do for this life, God dey. Not talk say because you marry oyibo, make you go dey flirt up and down, make you go have black boy for every corner. You get for Rome, you get for the other side. If your oyibo ask you say where you dey go, you say you wan go see your brother. The day wey God go punish you, you no go know. Na wetin you do that man na, because oyibo no na person like that man wey you go dey meet. No because of say na oyibo, you go say no problem, make you go dey flirt up and down. Where God go punish you now, you go come dey cry. Wetin you need for that man? If you marry oyibo, say yes, you marry oyibo, respect yourself. People wey dey our women dey wey just born for oyibo, dem born for am. No be say dem dey stay together. Dem born, he go just born for oyibo. Na so he go dey flirt up and down. He go say intant na oyibo problem iro awa ere anima we. No be only awa o. No be only awa. God dey punish you dey go, but you no know. All this una, those women now they talk to so. Those women wey go marry to white people, they go still get black. You know dey shame. You no go sit down say you dey shame. That black wey you wan go meet, you go they go fuck you anyhow. If you comot, always we na ni aya o ya ku neme ni ngwalo yeru anfo we a o we en won do we o ti egbe you go still call himself saying be married woman. He live in white man for house. He come here. Ya be we neme mfo a even ni aya o. Now you dey disgrace yourself. You know dey disgrace your oyibo. Now yourself now you dey disgrace. Make una dey respect una self. If you marry, abeg may be marry. If you no marry, may not be marry. You understand? If you with oyibo dey friend, you be single person, you are free to do anything you like. Even though say na black you dey, you are free because you be single. You never call yourself say you be married woman. No be when you call yourself say I'm a married woman. God forbid bad thing. You call yourself say you be married woman, then you go get men for outside. You are not a married woman. You are a disgrace to a woman. Na me talk am. Untouchable mama na talk am. You are a disgrace to a woman. Like me when they talk to una so, I'm up to 20 years marriage nowadays with my white man. Nobody go fit boast. Nobody go even boast come and say na so me with am. Because for me, if you say yes I do, na yes I do. If you never say yes I do, respect yourself. Respect yourself. I have a son up to 18 years old, a boy. I have 3 boys. I dey respect myself. If you no respect yourself, who go respect you? Make you think am, sit down, make you think am. No marry oyibo say you don born for oyibo, you still go dey date another man. The best thing, make you divorce. The best thing, you go divorce for that man. Then go live your life as you like. Problem not there. No be say you dey on that man, you will go dey flirt. It's very bad. It's very bad. That means you no respect yourself. Me, I dey respect myself well. And I want make my children make them dey respect me. Because you feel dey think say na no problem, nobody dey see you, but God dey see you. The day wey God go answer you, you no believe your eye. Or maybe, okay, as you dey go now, you no know, say maybe your son, friend, if he see you for one corner for there, they go dey use am say they laugh your son, they go, you no know. That kind thing no good. E no good. e no good, my sister. Make una change. I pray make una change. If you not because of say you marry Oyibo, you go the flirt they go. That man where you see where you go the where you with am they do the do. You go see the talking for outside. I say yo oh we marry Ebo. Avinya no marry Ebo no who. They will come they compare una with us. We are responsible women. We are gallant women. We marry Oyibo we dead there. Say yes I do forever. Now we talk. Una come dey disgrace us. That thing, e dey pain me sometimes where I dey hear am. E go dey pain me. If I see some people, some women wey dem dey talk say, Ebo no nia, the thing go dey pain me. I'll say, very useless thing. Who even born this one sef? Oyibo no be person. Oyibo no be human being. If you not like that Oyibo, wetin e dey carry dey go, you go divorce am. Go find the one wey you like. You understand? Oyibo na person. If nobody Oyibo no be person, wetin make you dey there? Wetin make you dey with am? When you born for am, maybe you don born 1 or 2 for the Oyibo. Wetin make you dey there? If Oyibo no be person, you go leave am. Make you find a way. Make the Oyibo dey go, you go your own. Then you go dey do wetin you want. Wetin you go dey do, dey go. Now me come dey tell una say una dey disgrace us. Make una change una life. That kind of life is not good. No marry Oyibo, say you don't born for her. You with your Oyibo still there for the same house. You go get another black boy where they fuck you for one corner, which is very bad. Now me they tell una, those boy will not get, or whether now una promise them say maybe una go divorce Oyibo, una go meet her. He not go respect you. Even though may you give her heaven and earth, that man not go respect you. Because they think and say the time when you say you marry Oyibo, when you deal with Oyibo, see what you they do. So if he marry you, if he come up for her, now the same thing then you go see they do. Make una the respect to yourself, women. It's not good at all. This kind of thing is not good. Oyibo na person, black na person. Now what Oyibo get, now black get. You understand? If you enter that marriage, say you not like that marriage, you go come up for there. You go come up for there. Then where you go, they cheat on that man. Then you the think say na that man, now you the disgrace. You are just disgracing yourself, not be that man. Now yourself you the disgrace. Because now people go they talk, they go say, that woman wey marry Ibo, maybe your name na Mary, you been an enemy. You go say that Mary wey marry Ibo. Oh why you got here? Oh why you got here? Oh my pa an enemy, you get one for the other side. Now shame. Now shame. Now you now they go take the now that they announce they go not be that Oyibo. You understand? More na change una way when I tell they do something. This kind of life, this one not be life. Not be life. Even though may you give that man, that black man money, heaven and earth, he will never marry you. Life, go and write it down. Marry away. Or magba. Because if na where would think away, that man get sense past you. You go say, this kind of thing where this woman they do. You know, tell you because in the see waiting, they see something for your hand. You know, tell you. You go say, if you come up for them, oh, there may be friends do your con go say, what about that your woman lady now? Go say, no man down. That one they think say I go marry her. What I want you to do? Even in Yahoo, no one win you say you dey husband house, you go they give no, I don't know very you where you are do. You are doing ya. My man na yegbe na Yahoo. I be ki hone kere my info. You understand? So me now women not respect to yourself. If you know if you call yourself a responsible woman, be responsible to yourself first. I understand? More not the respect to yourself. Like me, I dey respect myself. If I just say husband, no, I don't want me to stay, I go come out. Instead of me go dey useless myself. That one is useless. That one is useless. Now that one I mean they copy. Me I not talk and finish. Now that one I be P. Not be people where they go road. Not be P. You where they husband house. Where you gonna look for another prick for us and I be P. P where I use on me. I not just want me I talk and finish. People not gonna understand what in me. I pray may una share this audio. May reach all these women where they do so something. Wanna know, wanna share and may reach there. May they listen. May their brain come. May enter their brain. Say what thing that they do is not good. Because as you born now, person will still do your own. May you not worry. because you say you born for Oyibo, you see there with her, say una be husband and wife. Just because of that Oyibo no one tell you say I know what they do. Not be saying a fool. Not be fool. You know what? Some of them they know what all these women when I wait and they do. They know. But you go say me just keep quiet. Maybe because some Oyibo they don't get family with you. No one may break that family. You go just keep quiet. They look you. Don't be saying a fool. Not be fool. Don't call a fool. Eti Ozwa, or why me know? Just you don't want me keep quiet. Say because of your family, let me go ahead with this marriage. Mona try, mona they keep on a leg, mona they keep on tight. We are no hero what done. Who no it when you say you marry. Oh, be a wago unya koa. No, if you are a married woman. Because if men they toast men then they toast people. If men toast you, say no, say you their husband wife. Now you go tell and say, my brother, I not be your type. I understand, I not be your type. You go say, which kind of type that one? You say, I not be your type, I not be single person. She understand. So go piavanti, as it's a lot they talk and piavanti. May you go front, may you go look for another one. Like me, I did marriage house. So may you go one corner. You understand? Because if some men talk to you now, you laugh for my brother. Now wow, everything now. If they call you, they call her. Now then something go start. A woman wake their husband house. You're not supposed to get contact with single men. What do you want use them to do? What do you want use them to do? I'm gonna call the chat. What do you want they talk? What you na go dey talk? Because now then everything go dey start. From there go tell you say baby I want me I see you. Go come they call you baby. You hold you way say you marry. Go come they call you baby. Why you can't be a baby? How you can't be a baby? You not supposed that well before you go reach that well self. You for don't cut and come out. If man just they come say you know say you marry. You just they carry wahala they come because you know say they get wahala. Because they're not they finish for one. If one they even don't say they get this married today, they will go find Anna tomorrow. They go, now so then they do and they go. You will be woman and you go tell them say, oh, that's your car where they carry. Come back break am here, follow and go another place. So this road you don't close for 30. You will respect yourself. Because if you follow man laugh anyhow, you go enter inside. Now real. When I get that be out well another day or they available. The way you talk to men go say no, this one head not dey house so me I run comot. You understand? That's so it be. If you follow man, and so no problem. Me we go take cafe. You follow and go. Dear you are. Go follow another man. Go take cafe. A single man, you will be married woman. You go take cafe with another man. Now there for the command. Now there night for start. You are a P. You understand that P where I talk? You are a P. So may una try, make sense they enter on a brain. Now understand? You call yourself a married woman. You are disgracing other married women who are married to whites. There are very many responsible women there for outside there. We get married to their white man for years. They still there. And they're very responsible. More than they look at those one. More than they look there. Don't be fooling yourself. You are not fooling the man. Let me tell you, you know they fool the man, and yourself now you the fool. You are just fooling yourself for nothing. So this is the advice for those ladies who call themselves say they are married but they are P. When they go for other, they go they look for men they go. If your husband something not satisfy you, tell am say not satisfy you. Oyibo they not make me like Oyibo. If you tell your Oyibo say this thing as you tell they do me so I not like am like this, it go change the way, it go change am for you. No problem. Now only our black now people black to black now then they share small to tell their husband say I like am like this, I not like am like that. You will tell am. Oyibo go give you as you like am. Not be the one where you go carry command go they give another person. You understand? So all these women where they do like that, no be P, na me talk am. Una be P because una dey disgrace women. Real women wey say they marry where they husband house. Or real women wey marry Oyibo where they husband house. Now they disgrace us. So more na change. I pray for God every day by day. If I dey hear all this kind of thing, the thing dey vex me. They vex me. Now say I go talk am one day. dey vex me for inside belle say why na dey disgrace, why wetin dey make una dey do that kind thing? If you no wan marry the man, give am the divorce. You know say this abroad wey we dey so na make me like am. Ask for divorce, you go divorce am comot, go dey do your pee dey go wey you dey do. No call yourself a married woman again. This is the topic I have for those people that is misbehaving themselves, and they are just disgracing themselves. They think they are disgracing that man. That man not dey disgrace. So if he not talk to you, not me say na ozuo e ka wo mo emugu ne o yemi yawa o no. He no want to tell you say see wetin I dey hear or wetin I dey see. He no me say the man no na ozuo Ati una dey hear wetin I dey talk so. No na change una life. May God dey bless una. If una no change, God one day when he go wake, where God go say today na be your day. That day na small thing na go happen. You know now you know. So na so I talk and reach for today. Remain blessed, everybody. Untouchable Mama say bye bye to all. Bye.